How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a WhatsApp chat into a PDF file, how to export a chat to PDF. The coolest thing about this process is you don't need a computer. We're going to do it all straight from our iPhone, and with that PDF file, you can literally do whatever you want. You can save it to your iPhone to use it later. You can share it with anybody else, or you can even print it if that's what you want. So, without further ado, let's begin and let me show you how you can do this. It's super simple. Okay, so all you have to do is open up the App Store because we're gonna need the help of an app for that. But don't worry because it's so simple. Go to search, then tap here on the top bar and then look for TextPort, just like that, 2 words. Don't worry because of course I'm gonna have all the information on the screen, and even easier, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description. As you tap there, you're gonna come straight to the app page. And so go ahead and get it. You can get it for free, so that's awesome as well. Then you can go ahead and open it up. And as you open it up, you can already see that TextPort has a trick to it that I absolutely love. You see this barcode style line of laser thing? This is pretty cool to see, right? But it's even cooler to feel because as this line goes up and down, you actually feel your iPhone vibrating with it. You have to download it, you have to test it out in order to see what I'm talking about. This is pretty cool. Now, let's just tap on continue. And as you can see, we can go ahead and add a chat. So tap on add chat. And right here, you can actually see at the top that we have quite a lot of possibilities, quite a lot of applications that TextPort is compatible. So if we tap here on messages, as you can see right here at the top, we have here messages. So we can actually do this. We can actually transform chats into PDF files from your iMessages, your text messages, of course, WhatsApp, which is what we're going to talk about in this video, but also chats from ChatGPT, from Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and so on. So if you have a chat, a conversation with pretty much anyone in pretty much any major app, you can actually use TextPort to help you with that. So that's pretty cool. So in our case is WhatsApp, so tap on the option and then tap here on import from WhatsApp. And the way this works is so simple. We're gonna actually go straight to WhatsApp, and this works for both normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, for both here, okay? Then go to the chat that you actually want to create, the PDF, and then tap here on the name of the person, on the contact. And of course, they're gonna scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling until you get to export chat. So tap on the option, and then this is cool as well. You can actually attach media. So you can attach your media, so photos, videos, audio messages, and so on to this file. So this is amazing. Or without media, so this is just text. So it's up to you. In my case, I'm gonna go with media. So attach media, and then of course it's exporting. And the trick here is to go ahead, slide to the side, and tap on TextPort, because as you tap on TextPort, it's gonna process that file and show you in a much better way. So you're gonna see right here your chats, when they were sent and received. You can see here your full attachments, so your files, in this case an image. So you can go ahead here and continue. You have here a PDF inside this chat. It's here, so it's all there. And of course, we've got the whole conversation here. We can go ahead, of course, and export. That's the whole point, right? And then we can export and share it as a PDF. And as you can see, we've got here all of the content and the timestamps and even images, as you can see right there. So that's pretty great. You can go ahead and tap here on share, and then you can now share it with anyone that you want via WhatsApp or messages or AirDrop or mail, or you can save to your Files app, you can save to your iPhone, or even print straight from TextPort. So that's awesome. We also have a few more options. So as we can come back here, we have the possibility to print it straight from TextPort again, to turn this into a spreadsheet. So this is great for organization. You may prefer visualizing like this. This is a good way of showing your content as well, or even plain text. If you just want text, that's all you get. And then of course you can copy content much easier that way if that's what you want. And that's pretty much it. That's how you export a chat from WhatsApp the right way. The best way you can actually do it, and of course the best way you can deal with it later, share it with somebody else, print it, do whatever you want with TextPort. I love this app. This is gonna help you so much if you're watching this video. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye bye guys.